I envisioned the program immediately. It's so easy, just like a jigsaw puzzle. I close my eyes and it's all put together. Voila, and it's done.
Okay. I need some help.
Wait. I have organized plenty of events. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Well, I remember my nephew's wedding, Pavel Belov's birthday, Andrei Bogdanov's bachelor party, and I also organized Karsten Rockstuhl's visit to a disco bar in Rome. That was a very good time.
No, Misha, stop. We need professors, we need more expertise, we need...
Laureate section.
Exactly, yeah.
Guys, we definitely should invite Professor Misha Portnoy.
This was MetaNano 2018 in Sochi. Me and Professor Misha Portnoy after conference dinner.
We need social program.
Bicycles?
Or maybe fishing, sea fishing or river fishing.
Beach volley.
How did you get here?
Oh, no, let's play table tennis.
We need online surfing.
What?
Online swimming.
Solitaire?
Zoom charades.
Or maybe Assassin's Creed.
The program turned out to be very simple and elegant. Okay, it's ready. Okay, looks fine. Okay.
Nastya,
What?
Professor Calvin Schubert cannot come. He's got a Dungeons and Dragons tournament. Can you change the schedule, please?
Creating a program is my favorite part of the conference planning.